Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a vitamin C haul for you. I picked up some goodies from Hermes, little bits and bobs from the store that are really cute and I want to share with you. But also I will unbox what I got from the Hermes private sale that I got invited to very recently. In case you've missed my Hermes sale vlog, I'll link it above for you to check it out. And yeah, let's get started. Don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm on Instagram where I show you my daily outfits on stories and how I style my new purchases. But also I'm very new on TikTok. I started posting there quite regularly. So if you're interested, I'll leave all the information down below in the description box. Come say hi. Okay, so this will be probably a quick unboxing as I don't have that many items, but all of them are so good. So I will start by unboxing something small that I picked up from the boutique, and it comes in this box. So I want to unbox this first because it is an item that has been on my wish list for quite some time, I'm not gonna lie, but I just wasn't sure what color to get. And I finally saw this color combination. I fell in love and I bought them. It is a pair of earrings, the Hermes Olympe earrings, but these ones are very special because they're in a very special limited color called Doré in French, or in English golden. So we have these hoop earrings in chunky light gold skin. It is a seasonal color and it's been seen in small leather goods, costume jewelry, leather bracelets, shoes, but also their bags like the Hermes Constance or the Mini Kelly, which is to die for. I'll insert a picture here. It is the most stunning gold Mini Kelly. It's so incredible. So when I saw that they dropped some of the golden pieces, the small leather goods and the jewelry pieces on the website, I was like, oh my god, this is so limited, I have to own something in this color. And I thought this was the perfect combination. As you guys may know, recently I have been wearing a lot of silver, but also when it comes to earrings, I have a few mixed metal pairs of earrings and I love wearing them. I wear them a ton. And you guys also know that hoop earrings are my favorite style. I feel that they suit my face shape. So when I saw these, I gasped and I couldn't resist. I messaged my SA and she found them for me. They're so perfect. I actually really love the golden leather. It's not too goldeny, it's not too in your face. It is the perfect combination of gold and silver. Also, these earrings are super lightweight. So they're 3.3 centimeters in diameter, 1 centimeter width, and the weight of one earring is only 8 grams. So let me quickly put the earrings on so we can see how they look, and of course I can't wait to start wearing them. So this is them. They will go with everything, such a neutral color, and because they're mixed metals, I can wear them with my silver jewelry and my gold jewelry. So glad I finally ticked off the Olympe earrings off my list, but because I love the style so much now, I think I would have to buy them in black and a tube to match my 2 Birkins as well. Okay, next, I know many of you are probably waiting to see what I scored from the Hermes private sale, so I'm not gonna keep you waiting anymore. Here it is. So unfortunately, I had to leave the big box behind. I didn't take it with me. I couldn't carry it. It was huge, and they didn't have bags that were big enough. And also when you go to the private sale, they don't give you the orange bags, they give you plain white bags. So I'm actually very surprised that they didn't have bags that were big enough to fit your purchases. So I didn't have a choice but to leave the orange box behind. Yeah, I couldn't carry it with me, so only got the dust bags. And let me show you what I got. I told you guys that when I went to the sale, I didn't want to go crazy and buy things that I didn't really need. However, I was looking for a pair of orans in exotic leather, ideally croc, or a pair of boots. And I found the most perfect pair of boots for winter. Let me take the other one out, and here they are. Super classic. I believe these are called the Folier boots in the 60mm heel, and these ones are suede, silver hardware, chunky platform for the winter so my feet don't get cold. And also look at them inside. Can we see that they're shearling lined? I'm sorry, but I couldn't be happier. Such a big score. These were reduced 50%. I paid 1,130. They were 50% off. All the shoes were 50% off. It is such a big saving. And these boots, you can tell the quality is so good. They're so warm. The quality of the suede, the sole, everything is just so perfect. They're extremely warm and very, very comfortable because of the block heel. So these were also available in my size in brown. Very beautiful caramel brown. I'll insert a picture here. I completely forgot to film them. They had those in my size, but I knew I was gonna go for the black because I'm going to wear them a lot more. Now I'm super excited for winter. My feet will be very cozy and toasty and happy, super warm in the winter months. It's not cold enough, unfortunately, to start wearing these, but I'm so excited. And another reason that I'm excited is that I can wear them with my picotan because they will match the hardware silver. So I can't wait to wear these with a full black look. I love wearing a full black look, and these look so chic as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of my Hermes sales score. Yes, I didn't buy any orans. I did try quite a few and I loved some of them, but I was like, do I need another pair of orans? Summer is over, so I decided to leave them behind, and this is the only item that I got from the sale, and I'm so happy. Next we have something else in this bag that I got from my essay, and as soon as I show you the box you would be able to tell what's in here. You can probably tell it is a scarf. However, it is a new style that I haven't tried before and I was so curious. So in here we have the Libican 45cm silk scarf, and wait until you see the print. It is the cutest. Is it upside down? I think that's the correct way. It is the cutest print, but also this caramel color. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It definitely gives like vintage retro vibes because of the red accents, and you can see the trim looks like a candy cane. It's red and white. And also, did you guys see the bow detail? Oh, and the hats and the bicycles with all the people, and there is a dog. This scarf is so detailed. You can see the little Hermes logo as well. You can see Hermes Paris on the bottom. This scarf in this print comes in a few different colors. I will insert all the colors that are currently available on the Hermes website, and I did really like, it was like a very pale yellow that I showed you in my shopping vlog, which I will link above in case you've missed it. I will also insert a short clip here so you can see. I really liked this color, but it didn't really work against my skin tone, so I decided to go for this one. There is another one that I'm currently eyeing, the exact same print in the green, but I want to see if I'll end up wearing this first, because as you guys may know, I do have a few other Hermes scarves, but I never really wear my 90 by 90 scarves. I have worn some of them as tops because you can transform them and wear them as tops. So when I saw this smaller sized scarves online, I was so curious and I went to visit my essay. My essay showed me different ways to tie it, to wear it, and I loved the look. I thought it looks so much better, so chic and also so young. I don't know, like long scarves look a bit mature. So this silk scarf was £210 and it's in the colors beige doré, rouge and blanc. which is white. I'm so excited to try out these smaller sized silk scarves, and yeah, I'll let you know how I find them, but I have a feeling I would wear this a lot more. Plus when I tie it in a knot with the little bow details, it looks so adorable, you will see. And next we have a very unexpected purchase. So I was at the till ready to pay for my purchases, and then I saw this and I couldn't leave without it. Okay, let me show you. They packaged it so nicely in such a lovely box. Oh my god, this is actually quite heavy. All right, so here we go. I wish this was a mini Kelly. It looks like the right size, right? Unfortunately it's not. So I picked up the new Barenia perfume and the new Barenia body lotion. Just wait until you see the packaging, okay? And we have, look at this bottle. Oh my god, look at the bottle. It looks like the CDC bracelets, the Collet de Chien bracelets. Look at the detailing, and this smells divine. It is such a unique scent, very beautiful, very warm scent. On me, I don't know why, it smells like honey. When I spray it on my skin, it smells quite sweet, and I can definitely smell honey. It is the strangest thing because I don't think there is any honey notes inside, okay? So for top notes we have miracle berry and bergamot, middle notes white ginger lily, and for base notes we have patchouli, akigala wood and oak. It is described as quite woody but at the same time fruity and floral sweet fragrance with earthy accords. It does have some spicy notes, but as I said, on me, when I spray it on my skin, it smells very warm and sweet even. I find this to be a very elegant, sensual fragrance, and it is perfect for fall. This is my go-to fall scent. I did have a couple of little samples that they gave me, and I've been spraying them every day. This perfume is so long-lasting as well. I can smell it on me all day long, which I love, because sometimes when I spray fragrances, I can smell them for like 1 hour and then I can't smell the scent anymore. It is such a captivating scent, and it is inspired by the Collet de Chien bracelet, as I mentioned. Such a stunning perfume bottle to display on your vanity as well, and it is refillable. I picked up the 60ml and it was £100. And last, let me quickly show you the body cream. The packaging of this is just as beautiful. So here it is. Oh, stunning. It is such a big jar as well, and look at the top. Wow, imagine this displayed in your bathroom or vanity. And it is weighty, it feels luxurious, as it should, because it is £107. It is not cheap, and you get 200 mils of product. It is such a nice texture. It is so soft, very hydrating. I tried it at the boutique and it leaves very delicate fragrance. It's not too overpowering, but it will be great to layer with the perfume, which will make it even more long lasting. So this is the newest launch from Hermes. Let me know if I convinced you to buy it. You would thank me later. Do try it out. It is such a lovely scent for the winter months. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Hermes unboxing. Let me know which item was your favorite. I'm super excited to wear all these lovely items, the scarf, my favorite earrings, and of course the boots. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!